Hello everyone, I am L to the W. Oh, that's so good. I am definitely an avid coffee drinker. I'm a YouTuber, vlogger, car enthusiast, and a disabled veteran. If you're joining the channel for the very first time, I kindly ask that you consider go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up as it support me as I share everything in my life and my passion for cars. Now, like I said in the last vlog, I've got some spark plugs and some rear end oil and stuff to do, but like I said, when you do this YouTube stuff, it takes quite a while. Like I said, 1 in the afternoon, I already had 90% of my video done. The only thing I did was got on this camera and filmed the end, and the rest of it's been finishing touches, exporting, and uploading. So this stuff does take a while. So if you like YouTubers, if you like favorite channels, give them support, man. There's a ton of time that goes into these 10-minute, 15-minute long videos, man. Trust me, there is a lot of time and effort into this. So anyhow, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this uploaded and head out to the garage. Look at that, man. Damn, been losing air in this tire. Can't ever seem to catch a break, man. It's my daily driver, my cruise. So I got the compressor charging up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this tire plugged. Alright, there we have it. One tire plug, torque to the proper specs. Don't forget, if you're using a torque wrench, to run the torque back down to whatever the minimum is, 20 foot-pounds, because if you leave it wrenched at like 100 foot-pounds, it'll lose their calibration. Ooh, look at that Camaro. That's a bright green. And at the mall to pick up the wife's ring. She kind of damaged a little bit, sent it out for repair. But the GoPro, the Hero 7 here, did have an update about gimbal stabilization when it was cold. So maybe that was my issue with the Batmobile video. But let me get her thing ready. I missed that on her hand. Got the ring back. Even though she lost the receipt or she dropped it off, we got it. Let's see if I can get a haircut. I'm like so overdue. Oh, that was a major fail. They actually had an opening. I could have gone and got my haircut, but I forgot to bring in a debit card or cash. The wife's outside doing her thing. Holy smokies, look at those things. Jeez. Wow, those things are big. Let's go see what she's up to. Honey, look at this big garden she's working on. Goodness gracious. She's got all this.
What is wrong with why you videotaping me again?
Wow. So I do this little thing called YouTube. Look at all these things she's playing. Good grief. Wow. So all the time you see her video at Walmart shopping these things, she did actually buy them, and there she is. Hard at it. She destroyed where I was putting my koi garden, by the way.
There is no koi. If you wanted to do it, then do it.
Well, good. I'm putting my koi garden right there. My koi pond. Yeah. You ruined.
No, too late.
She ruined my koi pond. My lifelong dream of ever having a koi pond. And she laughs. Wow.
Go.
Alright, I gotta go work on the vlog. It's that time to get the GTO back out, but right now, while she is uncovered, let's take a look at this beautiful Firehawk Trans Am right here. Yeah, she is real deal. You can tell it's the thing, but you can definitely tell right here by the hood. This hood, unlike the WS6, is blended in to the front bumper, and there's a little Firehawk. This car came with the optional synthetic fluid package, chrome wheels, the floor mat package. It does have a little ram air box on here, and the only other thing that Street Legal Performance did, I mean, for any kind of performance other than the ram air setup. This does have a catback exhaust, which is unique to the Firehawk. Sorry it's dirty. It's pollen season right now and everything's just coming down, but remember the last video I said that tank got airborne and destroyed the car capsule, but the car capsule did its job. It protected the car, no damage to it whatsoever, so I really can't be too mad about that. But right now we got to get the GTO out. So we're taking it for a ride to warm up the rear end. If you've never done rear end oil before, it is extremely thick and it will come out slower than slow if it's not somewhat warm, and it's pretty cold right now. It's about 60 degrees, 62 degrees. So what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to get the, I don't know if it matters, but I'm just moving that way the differential, the clutches back there move a little bit. But the GTOs are well known for having a little bit of a hum back there. I don't know if you can hear that. It's like really making noise now since I put these tires on. So I don't know if these tires are loud or if it's because the factory wheels were on there so tight and I kind of had to kick them really hard. And maybe I bounced the axles a little bit and it shook something loose back there. But yeah, anyway, I got the went on some of the GTO forums and everybody recommended that, or not everybody, but a lot of people recommended the Torco differential fluid, which of course this has the posi or limited slip rear, whatever you want to call it. So I need to add that fluid additive to that too. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this warmed up. Thank God I got a set of these axle sockets from Harbor Freight. That bolt's damn 30 millimeters. Man, that's freaking huge. We're gonna loosen the fill plug first. That way, lets a little airflow in there. There we go, that one batted on. Use approved lubricant and friction modifier. In case you're wondering what that tag said. And then this one's a 15 millimeter. This is the actual drain plug. Wow, that one's got some pressure. Here's something I didn't notice. I never knew about this rear end. Actually has cooling fins on it. Never knew this. But here you go. Anybody ever wants to see what a 14,000 mile underside of a GTO looks like. Like I said, it's extremely thick. It's going to take a minute to come out. So here's my Torco limited slip friction modifier. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. This just happened to be highly recommended by the people in the forum. So it says no more than 2 ounces. So that's what we're going to do. And here is the 85W140. Talk about thick stuff. What I'm going to do is just add it to here. So the wife got me this little pump deal. I'm going to see if this thing works. Oh my God, it doesn't even screw into the thing. Wow. Okay, well, hopefully we'll still get it to work. Actually for a marine lower pump fill. I don't know what the hell bottle they expect that to screw into. Okay, here's my Harbor Freight axle set. This is for doing axle Good thing I had these things are definitely handy to have because you never know where you're going to have an absolutely enormous socket. But when I did the wheel bearings on the HHR, I bought this and it's totally paid for itself. I've had to use them several times. So I think the fluid's drained. Let's go pump it in. So real quick, for those of you that don't understand like the friction modifier on a differential like this, if you see cars when they take off and you leave 2 marks, that's what's either called like a posi or a limited slip differential. There's basically like clutch packs in the rear end, and that's what keeps both tires spinning at the same time. So the friction modifier is what allows the clutches to slip just enough so when you make a turn, it lets one wheel spin faster. It's not like a locker where both tires absolutely spin at the same way and there's no wheel spin, which is only good for drag cars. If you're on the street, you need some kind of limited slip action going on, so that's the purpose of that. It works. So right there, we're full. When the oil starts running back out, and that's it, it's full. Anybody that's watched my channel for a minute knows I'm a big fan and supporter of torque wrenches. So both the drain and fill plugs are 20 foot-pounds. So make sure these are not over tightened, but tightened properly. There we go. Moment of truth here. See if this quieted down this rear end. Well, I still have a noise back there, so it's probably the tires, but I still had a rear end noise, so it's good to get that oil changed. Now I can be comfortable knowing the fact she's got fresh oil back there. But kind of not too happy. Brand new tires are that loud. What you gonna do? You want to see something funny? I have an extremely jealous German Shepherd. Watch this. She can't stand it. She's not the one getting attention.
She's bringing you a toy.
Alright everyone, I apologize. I was going to make the Camaro, the spark plug thing with the Camaro part of this vlog. I was trying to make it good and entertaining, but what ended up really happening is it just really turned into like a big how-to, and I really don't know how to cut it and add it into the vlog. See, I'm already here at like a little bit more than 11 minutes, so I don't know, maybe poor planning on my behalf. I guess I really need to plan these things out better. So it's just going to turn into like a big how-to video, so maybe that's better, I don't know. I'm sorry, I guess I really need to plan those things better. I guess I'm just really stressed out about making good content for the channel because it's grown so fast. It's like quadrupled in size over the past couple weeks. So I'm just really stressed about putting out great content. But anyhow, I think I mentioned before, I know I mentioned before, I just don't remember when, but I have like a European trip coming up. It's going to be fantastic. We're going to be looking at some cars over some other countries. But like I said, doing these channels gets a little pricey. That's why, you know, we have like affiliate links down below. If you shop on Amazon, no cost involved. We get a little bit of commission. That's why we have like, we sell t-shirts. We put ads on, and that's why I just like PayPal and Patreon links and things like that. But I got something here. I got a couple necessities for the trip. So, oh yeah, man, you can see B&H, baby. If you do this stuff for a living or kind of anything to do with camera gear, you know B&H. So must have for anything, I got a big memory card there for my SLR and just a couple more micros for the GoPros and things, because I'll be out and about and we'll never know. But check this out. Manfrotto backpack. So problem is right now I have like a Canon backpack that's good for packing the cameras and a few lenses. I have an HB backpack which does good for the laptop. Problem I had when I went to St. Lucia, I was carrying 2 backpacks. One, I kind of had a smaller bag with my drone and the laptop, and then I had another one, camera gear, but I knew I was staying at the resort, so it wasn't be. But we're gonna be traveling around Europe, and I'm gonna need everything with me. And this backpack here has a spot here for the laptop, but here's the most important thing right here. This is a spot for a gimbal. So this is gonna be pretty cool. A dedicated spot for like this, so I can stick the Ronin S in here. Look at that. Okay, so the tripod legs come out, but look at that. It's gonna fit. That's freaking awesome. So now I'll be able to get some nice buttery pictures on the trips, and hopefully, like I said, we're gonna get some good car stuff. So this is really the main part of that bag. So I said, always just investing and trying to get better for the channel. Ooh, man, what better way to end the vlog than have that beauty in the background. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna make this really short because the vlog is already like 16 minutes, and I apologize. I try to keep it like 10 minutes. I don't know, like I said, I think I said before, I'm a little bit stressed out now. The channel's grown really quick, and I'm just really worried about making the greatest content that I can and not losing people and running everybody off with too much jibber jabber or whatever. So anyhow, I'm gonna keep this short. Thank you again, everybody, for support. I broke over 3,000 subscribers, and I don't even know what to do, man. I'm just like beyond excited and thrilled about that. Like I mentioned, we got a great European trip coming over. I'm looking forward to checking out some cars over there, and I'm gonna be doing some local car shows, events. And like I said, I got a whole year-long plan of stuff to do. Hopefully we're gonna get this garage built fairly soon, and a lot of other stuff. So go ahead, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, help support the help support this veteran, my love for cars and everything in my life. Like I said before, if you want to support the channel, links down below for t-shirts, direct donations through PayPal and stuff like that, and Amazon affiliate links. So if you're shopping for anything, it doesn't cost anything. You click on a GoPro and buy dog food, something like that. It's just anything to help the channel. Like I said, because I want to do like an exhaust system on this car, really pipe it up, make it loud, and we just need funds and stuff like that to keep it growing. So again, I'm gonna keep it short. Thank you for your support, and hopefully we'll see you next week for another great vlog. Thanks for watching.